At first download the zip file by the link given below in the description. Now extract the zip file in your desired location. Now click on extract button. It will take some time. After extract it will open automatically extracted folder. Now go to the bin folder. Now scroll down and select Knox and Knox multiplier.exe file. Now send it to desktop for shortcut create. Now just run Knox player. For first time it will take a bit time. Now you can use any Android application in your Windows. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.